to log into your AliExpress account on your device. So first of all, make sure that you have logged out of your or signed out of your account on your old device. Then on your new device, make sure that you have installed the application. Then you can open your AliExpress. Then from here, simply tap on the account option right here. Then from here, you will actually be able to log into your account. Here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the gear like option that you'll be able to see on the top right corner right here. Then from here, you can see these are all of the settings of your profile. From here, if you go back here, you'll be able to see the option of sign in or register on the top left. Right, simply tap on that one, and then in here, if you want to log into your existing account, you can do that, or else if you tap on switch account, then from here you will actually be able to enter all of your email address and phone number of your account. Then tap on continue. Then you'll be able to enter the password of your account. Then tap on login, and just like this, you will successfully be logged into your AliExpress account. So in here, in case if you have used any of those platforms to sign up to your account, then you can tap on them and go along with their process of adding their own credentials in order to log into your AliExpress too. So in here, if you have added a passkey, you can also tap on passkey, then simply enter your passkey and then log into your account too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.